Welcome to Animal Kingdom. Amazing fun fact about Panda. Number 1.
Pandas communicate through vocalization and scent markings such as clawing trees or spraying urine. They are able to climb and take shelter in hollow trees or rock crevices, but do not establish permanent dens. For this reason, pandas do not hibernate, which is similar to other subtropical mammals, and will instead move to elevations with warmer temperatures. Pandas rely primarily on spatial memory rather than visual memory. Though the panda is often assumed to be docile, it has been known to attack humans, presumably out of irritation rather than aggression.
Number 2.
According to legend, the panda was once an all-white bear. When a small girl tried to save a panda cub from being attacked by a leopard, the leopard killed the girl instead. Pandas came to her funeral wearing armbands of black ashes. As they wiped their eyes, hugged each other, and covered the ears, they smudged the black ashes. Pandas can stand upright, but their short hind legs aren't strong enough to support their bodies. A panda's bones are twice as heavy as the bones of other animals the same size. Pandas are pigeon-toed. In other words, they walk with their front paws turned inward.
Number 3. Number 4.
Scientists are unsure why the giant panda has the markings it has. Some biologists believe the panda's colors are camouflage of light and dark to help the panda hide in the shadows in a bamboo forest. Other scientists believe the black and white markings help the panda keep a steady temperature, or that the colors help the giant panda avoid other pandas. Still, other biologists believe that the panda's large black eye spots make their eyes look bigger and their stare more aggressive. A panda's throat has a special lining to protect it from bamboo splinters.
Number 5.
Baby pandas are born pink and measure about 15 centimeters, thus about the size of a pencil. They are also born blind and only open their eyes 6 to 8 weeks after birth. It's thought that these magnificent mammals are solitary animals, with males and females only coming together briefly to mate. Recent research, however, suggests that giant pandas occasionally meet outside of breeding season and communicate with each other through scent marks and calls. Female pandas give birth to 1 or 2 cubs every 2 years. Cubs stay with their mothers for 18 months before venturing off on their own.
See you in other amazing and fun facts. Click like if you find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Keep good spirit.